Hey guys, it's Shelley. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. So in today's video, I am going to be swatching and creating this look using Tarte's limited edition High Tides and Good Vibes palette. In addition to that, I will also be reviewing the Natural Lash Adhesive by True Glue and also be applying and reviewing a pair of their Eco Lashes. So if you're interested in sticking around and watching me create this look using Tarte's new High Tides and Good Vibes palette, and also reviewing the new Natural Lash Adhesive and eco-friendly lashes by the brand True Glue, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so before I jump into the swatches and the footage of me creating this look using the High Tides and Good Vibes palette by Tarte, and of course using the True Glue lash adhesive and also their Eco Lashes, I first want to give you a little bit of information, of course, about the products. That's kind of my thing. First thing I want to talk about is the High Tides Good Vibes palette. Again, it is limited edition, and I do also want to call out that a portion of the proceeds, I believe, go to the National Turtle Conservancy. So I really love that Tarte is giving back to our environment and help preserving marine life. I love that. So in the High Tides Good Vibes palette, it does come with 8 creamy shadow shades and 4 treasure topper glitter shades, which you can see right here. They are so gorgeous. I am not an expert with working with glitter. However, I did want to branch out today and just kind of give it a try because they looked so gorgeous. As always, Tarte's products are formulated without parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, and gluten. Next, I want to talk about the True Glue lash adhesive and the eco-friendly lashes that I picked up by the brand True Glue. I was very intrigued because there aren't that many natural lash adhesives out there on the market. So when I came across this, I definitely had to pick it up. One of the main things that I really liked about this adhesive is that it is formulated without formaldehyde, ammonia, latex, sulfates, synthetic dyes, synthetic polymers, phthalates, petrochemicals, fragrance, and petroleum-based ingredients. Now that's a lot of stuff that they are avoiding when creating this adhesive, and it kind of just makes you think about all the crap that's in conventional lash adhesives. In terms of the True Glue eco-friendly lashes, I didn't know True Glue had lashes until I took a peek at their website. However, when I did, I was definitely intrigued because you don't see many lashes that are kind of marked as sustainable. However, these lashes are, again, as mentioned, these are sustainable, eco-friendly lashes. They are cruelty-free, vegetarian, and ethically sourced. All right, so with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me creating this look using Tarte's High Tides and Good Vibes palette, and also me trying out the new natural eco-friendly lashes and of course lash adhesive by the brand True Glue. so that completes this look using the High Tides and Good Vibes palette by Tarte, and also the new True Glue Natural Lash Adhesive, and also their Eco Lashes. So in terms of the High Tides and Good Vibes palette, I really haven't found Tarte shadows that I don't like. However, I'm really not a huge glitter person, so I don't know if I am the best person to really speak to how great this glitter is. I am not great with wielding glitter. It's a little bit kind of everywhere. However, I did want to branch out and try something new and kind of do more of a wearable glitter look, if that makes sense. And I do think I was able to achieve that. I think this would be really pretty for a nice dinner out or date night at the beach, or even just, it doesn't really matter where, just date night in general. However, I think overall, given the charitable aspects of this palette, I'm really glad I picked it up. I'm always interested in giving back to nature. It's just always been in my heart to do so. So with that being said, I really like that about this palette. I was able to create a really pretty look, so for me, this is a pass. I am interested if you are someone who is really good with working with glitter. I know I probably should have put down the little patches to kind of prevent the fallout. You live, you learn. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be one. However, if you are really good with working with glitter, I am interested in hearing what your thoughts are about the glitters and this palette. Moving on to the True Glue Lashes and Adhesive. I really think the lashes are really pretty. They are super soft, fluttery, very natural looking. They definitely compare to some of the conventional lashes that I have used in the past. In terms of the glue, I really love that it is free of all the nasty chemicals that are traditionally contained in our eyelash adhesive. The consistency of the glue is a little bit different from what I am used to. I mean, it's thick. It is definitely clear and it stays clear. It does take a little bit for it to dry down, so I just kind of had to wait a little bit before I could get some tackiness to it so I could work with the lashes to apply them. However, I do feel like I need to test the True Glue a little bit more to really get a good feel for it. I have had my lashes on for about 30 minutes now, and I'm really not noticing any of the ends lifting, and they seem to be holding just fine. I don't notice any irritation. There is a little bit of a scent to it, but it is more of a natural scent. It doesn't smell like chemicals, and it's not very strong. However, I did want to point out that there is a bit of a fragrance to it. So if you are super sensitive to that, just take that in mind. But with that, just know that it's not anything crazy, and it does dissipate after a while once the lashes have been on your eyes. Okay, so with that being said, let me know in the comments down below if you have tried the High Tides and Good Vibes palette by Tarte. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. I'm also really interested in hearing your thoughts if you have tried the True Glue adhesive and also their new Eco Lashes. I think they are really pretty and really natural looking. I like more natural lashes when it comes to my personal look and aesthetic. However, I do want to mention they did have more dramatic lashes and quite a selection to choose from on their website. So I really recommend checking them out. And again, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, so if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.